In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an insurance payment in SimplePractice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to allocate a payment so your records stay accurate and up to date. Start by opening SimplePractice and navigating to the Add Insurance Payment screen. You can get there in two ways. From the main menu under Insurance, choose Add Insurance Payment. Or if you're already viewing a specific client's profile, click Add Insurance Payment there. Using the client profile is handy when the payment only applies to that one client, while the insurance menu route is great for batch payments that span multiple clients. On the payment screen, look for the Payer dropdown. If you came from a client's profile, their primary insurance payer will already be selected for you. If not, choose the correct payer from the list. It's important this matches the payer shown on the Explanation of Benefits, or EOB, or on the Electronic Remittance Advice known as an ERA, because all the details you enter should align with that document. Next, enter the payment date, the payment method, and, if applicable, the payment number, exactly as they appear on the EOB or ERA. The payment method might be a check, an EFT deposit, or another method listed by the payer. The payment number is typically the check number or the EFT trace or reference number. Using the payer's date and identifiers helps you reconcile later and keeps your records consistent. Under the section labeled All Appointments, set your filters to find the correct appointments for this payment. You can filter by date range, client, or both. A quick tip: match the service dates on your EOB or ERA to the same date range here, which makes it much easier to pull up only the relevant sessions. If the payment covers several clients, broaden the date filter and narrow by client as needed. Enter the total payment amount in the Amount field. Then, allocate that total across the listed appointments using the Insurance Paid field for each one. As you type, keep an eye on the remaining balance indicator so the sum of what you've allocated matches the total amount you entered. If an appointment is only partially paid, enter exactly what the EOB or ERA specifies for that line. Avoid over-allocating. The goal is a clean match to the payer's document. When everything looks accurate, click Save Payment. That saves the allocation to the appropriate appointments and updates your records. And that's all there is to posting an insurance payment in SimplePractice.